scheduled for one fall with a 30-minute time limit. Introducing first, Penelope Ford and Megan Bayne. Willow, Nightingale.
Twice in a row. Reversal. Oh, knee to the small of the back. More annoying than damaging, but Willow heard the footsteps. Now the roll-up. 1, 2. Oh, just one count. Willow rolls through. The cradle. Penelope Ford there to break things up. Bayne and Ford working in tandem. Double hammer throw. Nightingale goes in, breaks through the lariat attempt, and Willow answers with a shot of her own.
In the Batman universe.
Fans around the world, the only way to watch WrestleDream is on pay-per-view. You can purchase the event on HBO MAX, Prime Video, YouTube, ppv.com, Fubo, cable and satellite operators, Triller TV, and main event. We're under 20 minutes away from WrestleDream, coming to you live at the top of the hour. Goes right at Megan Bayne, takes Penelope off her feet. There's twice in a row, 3 times. We're just over 15 minutes away from WrestleDream live on pay-per-view via HBO Max. Visit hbomax.com/AEW to join us at the top of the hour as Willow working over Penelope in the corner, but right there, Megan Bayne interrupts.
Yeah, what we got is a 2-on-1 basically, because Harley is still down on the floor.
What we got here is a pounce! The Babe with the